So here we are, the new Magic Tikka Marinade. Fantastic, earthy flavours, you know what I mean? That real, authentic British tikka flavour.
Oh yeah,
you know
it's
what
got
I mean?
that little bit of spice running through it as well, doesn't it?
Not stupidly hot, beautiful. We've just knocked up 3 little simple recipes. Tikka lamb chops, tikka chicken skewers, and spatchcock.
I have to say, that
chicken.
looks incredible, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does. Them lemons.
Yeah,
you know.
really set it off, and they'll just tenderise that breast meat so much as well as the job that the Magic Marinade does, tenderising the meat.
And it does. You know, like sometimes like a chicken kebab can be dry, can't it?
Oh, yeah.
But the Magic Marinades tend to sort of like lock that moisture in, and then obviously there's the flavour and the looks.
Oh yeah, definitely. And I mean, them little simple chicken skewers, but just garnished with them little black onion seeds, a little bit of coriander over the top, just really sets them off. And I mean, likewise here with your spatchcock, the little paprika chips from RAPS, just all those little things just really set them off.
A bit of flavour into the thing. But what about them?
Oh, they're incredible.
You know what I mean? Like lamb chops, you know, any sheep meat, they're sort of perfect. Cut thin, simply paint the marinade on, no more than sort of 10%. I think they were a bit less.
Yeah.
And just in the counter in a suitable tray. And as you're selling them, you can just easily refresh the tray. A good way to maximise a bit of added value out of your sort of lamb.
Definitely. So, I mean, these products really, really light up your counter, don't they, Pete?
Yeah.
And they appeal to that younger generation of customer as well.
Yeah.
You know,
who want stuff prepared. They want the pizzazz of the, you know, the fancy barbecue, but don't want to do the work.
Exactly, yeah.
And that's where the butcher can score. You know, like they're a simple sort of chicken. You know, you can get the chicken the size you want it to fit your price point. And then there's at least 4 people. You know, you put that down with a bit of roast veg or something, or barbecued veg, you know, and that's it. Maybe it's a sausage or something. You don't need loads.
No, no, not at all.
You know, for me, that's a fantastic sort of family, you know, a fantastic family meal. We've done tikka here, but you could use the bang bang as well, or whatever.
Yeah, or some of the other range of Magic Marinades. Yep. I mean, they're all absolutely superb. So in the publications now, we're adding in the QR codes, which is a brilliant marketing tool. If you scan it with your mobile phone, you'll have access to all the photography, all the recipes, and they'll really help you to promote these products without having to go through all the rigmarole of getting your own cooked shots, getting raw shots. We've spent the time, we've made the recipes, and it's available for you all to use.
And free.
Yes.
So there we have it. RAPS Magic Marinade Tikka. It's new, it's magic.
It certainly is.